What I'm going to do today and demonstrate to you today is the best ways I feel cooking chicken. Today we're going to use a gas grill. If you look behind me, I have many grills that are wood, gas, pellet, green eggs. I have everything you could possibly want to cook on, and hopefully soon I can actually have you with me while we do our cooking classes. So I'm going to get the rotisserie chicken going first because that's going to take the longest, and then we'll get everything else going. So as you see, I have my spit here, and we're going to get this guy, and basically it's the simplest thing in the world because you're just going to put it in there, and then you're going to put your other one in, and you're going to kind of lock those down and get it around. Let the legs roll to make sure these are tight, and let's get it in the grill. And if you see, we're cooking here on a back burner, and I like to keep a tray down below just to capture the juices as they cook. Looks like it's going to be nice and clear, maybe up a hair, and that baby's ready to go. Okay, so here's my secret weapon. Remember, duck fat is pretty much in anything. As it's rotisserieing around, be careful, it'll spray right on the flame. It is pure duck fat. Get it up underneath the wings, get it on the legs. Don't be shy with your duck fat. Okay, now we can start seasoning it. I am using the Love chicken seasoning. Now, the nice thing about that is with the duck fat, the seasoning sticks really nice. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to spatchcock. And you can do this with turkey, chicken, any kind of full poultry, but you got to have really special scissors to cut the back out of the chicken. So there's our backbone. We want that out. Now what we're going to do is we're going to lay this guy down flat, and we're going to give it a pound here. You ready? That's what a spatchcock turkey looks like, or a chicken. Of course, with the duck fat, we're going to give it a good spray. Yeah, get it all in those grooves. And now we're going to go with the Badass Bird Boost. A great seasoning. If you see, I'm not shy with the seasoning again. If you watch any cooking shows or anything else, you'll see that the seasoning is very important that these guys use. All right, so for the sake of being easy, and since I'm outside, I'm just going to fold this guy up, and I'm going to bring him over to the grill. Really good spray. Get that duck fat on there good. Seasoning. And you notice the nice thing about this grill, this is a pretty large grill. I'm able to do a lot of things on this grill. So two things. We got the rotisserie going back here. That's cooking strictly on back burner. We got this cooking over here. Now what I like to do with chicken needs to be cooked low and slow. And your final temperature needs to be at about 165 degrees. And then you pull it and then let it rest, and then it will be cooked thoroughly. You want to make sure your poultry's cooked thoroughly. You want to make sure you don't cross-pollinate anything with your poultry. If you're cooking hamburgers or steaks over here, chicken has a lot of bacteria on it, where beef does not. And now we're going to go for just chicken parts. I'm going to say 10 to 1. You're going to cook just some chicken on the grill and have a nice barbecue. So here we go. So again, we're going to get our duck fat going in here. So here we go. We're going to season those up. The best thing that I could tell you, you want to have a barbecue, you want to change your flavors, it's all about personal preference, what you like. I probably have at least 5 different chicken seasonings at home. I'll also use garlic and salt and pepper. There's many things that you could do. So right now I just turned the grill up. I want to get some heat going. I want to get a little sear on this chicken. As soon as I get a little sear on it, then I'll turn the temperature way down, close the lid, and then we'll come back in about 45 minutes. Okay, so the chicken's been on for about 20 minutes. So like I said, we got it low and slow. Now we need to turn it. The rotisserie chicken stays right where it is. I'm going to pull the spatchcock out. It's good sometimes to have 2 tools. So let's give this one a flip. And look at that. Oh, that looks beautiful. I'm just going to start turning these all over. It doesn't matter where you put them. Alrighty. See you in about half an hour, 45 minutes. So I'm going to take this set of gloves and I'm going to open this up right now. We're going to get these things ready to go. You see how thick they are. So what we're going to do first, and I'm going to keep one hand open for a minute, we're going to check the temperature of our chicken. All right, there we go. We got it to 160. We'll pull this off. I'm moving fast now. And here we go, right there. If you notice, we captured a lot of the juice. And the nicest thing to do is to have another metal tray, slide it right under there, loosen your clips up, and we're done. You're out. Now, this baby's gonna stay hot for quite a while, so put it in a safe place where no one's gonna touch it. Close it up nice and tight. This way, because I brought it to 160, and I want the final temperature of this to hit 170, so we're just gonna let that rest. It's really important when you barbecue to let your food rest. Yeah, we're looking for 160, so... Oh yeah, oh, we are done. Everything's cooked. Okay, it's finished, everybody. Okay, so here we go. Final product here. These are cooked. They really don't even have to be foiled. They're all set and ready to go. You just got to cut them up and we're going to have a great meal. Chicken's one of the easiest things to cook, but remember, get the sear on it at the beginning, then cook it low and slow, let it stay nice and moist and juicy, and you'll really enjoy your meal. Hope to see you on the rest of the series.